This is the Let 'em Speak podcast. This is a platform where every man, every woman has a voice, has a story, has an opinion, and we gonna let them speak. So yesterday, after I finished my video about destruction and prosperity, and more so the destruction behind the wickedness and the sacrifices that they have been doing, but not paying retribution to the survivors of these sacrifices and unalivings. As soon as I got done, I'm on the interstate and I see a helicopter coming from the distance. And it comes and stays in plain sight in my, not directly, but slightly peripheral vision, and continues to follow me for quite a long time. If you know about the helicopters, you know what type of what type of placement that you have been placed in the world. Riding down the street and there's police vehicles, planted every, pretty much planted in your pathway of where you go, how you maneuver. If you know, you know. Let them speak, man. Let them speak. Pay up.